Okay guys, now we'll see switch case. So switch case is like faster than if and else, but 90% of the time you won't need a switch case because you don't have a too much of condition. Like switch case is used when you have a too much of if and else condition, like you have like maybe 5 to 6 times of if and else you have to write. Then switch case comes as a faster way, and you can say a better approach. So let's just see. So suppose you have a value which is 0 or whatever, then here what we say switch, we say value. So whatever value you are sending, will take it here. So this doesn't need to be val, you can just take any variable name. No, this can be value. Yeah, so whatever you are taking, just write it here inside. Then here we'll say case. Okay, if case, so we want to check if this equals to 0. If this equals to 0, we will do like this. We say console.log it's a 0. Okay, then you say break. Break means okay, I have find the 0, break. Then we say case 1. If the value is 1, we'll say console.log it's a 1. Then again break, I have found a value. Then say case 2, console.log it's a 2. Okay, if there is nothing, default, we'll say defa default. No number found. See how it's working. Firstly, I'm sending a value here, whatever variable or whatever, you can directly write the number. I'm checking if it's 0, then do this, it's a 0 and break. If I'll say it's a 1, it will directly go to 1. Okay, if it's a 2, it will directly go to 2, and whatever I want to do, I can do. Either than writing if 0, then do this, else if 1, do this, else if 2, do this, else do this. So instead we can just directly like switch case. So it's just not with the number. Suppose you have any string, let me copy that, and here I'll just say any string. String will be like what can I write? I'll say name. Okay, in capital. Suppose the case is name, then say it's a name. The case is country, then say it's a country. The case is city, then say it's a city. Otherwise it's none. No string found. See, no string found because case name, and I am sending value, I have to send str. See, it's a name. If I say here country, it will come into country and print the country and break the loop. But suppose it's a wrong thing, suppose this is not in this condition, it will automatically come to default and print that. See, no string found. No string found, or say string is wrong, whatever your message is, you just can do there. But default is necessary in switch case. So either than writing if name is equals to this, str is equals to name, so it's better to write switch case. Okay, if you have a long if else or nested if else condition. So that's it in this part of switch case, guys.